are at high risk of life-threatening conditions from COVID-19. The virus can damage one's heart, lungs, and brain. It may cause multiple organ failure that requires intubation in an ICU. After effects can hamper a recovery. Vaccines reduce risks of serious illness, hospitalization, and death. Experts advise that any elderly person who has had a flu shot can safely receive COVID-19 vaccines. Get vaccinated early.
Global warming results in extreme weather. Heat waves bring hotter and stuffier summers. Recurrent warm nights make it difficult to sleep. Super typhoons and heavy rain strike. Heavy rainstorms pose threats to slopes and lowlands. These are not movie synopses. High carbon emissions caused by human activity lead to global warming and unprecedented extreme weather. We need to reduce carbon emissions immediately to slow down global warming and achieve carbon neutrality.